Their ball that we were gonna play with is stuck in the ice. So they're both taking turns trying to get it out. And I can't get it, so I'm hoping they can. It's not looking good. Hey, don't bark. Here, let's get your ball. Piper, it's not in there. Hey, it's right here. Piper. Stop ripping the top. Maybe that's not gonna help. I'm trying to get it out and it's not getting. God, why are you guys eating ice? Doggy, why are you eating ice? I know, buddy. I'm trying to get it. It's stuck. No, look, we're getting the ball. Piper, stop eating the ice. I really want to play with this ball. You got the ice pick and the freaking ice eater over here trying to pull this thing out. Dang. He's really trying to get at this ball. I don't know why this is so funny. This is just nuts. She's taking a snack break the whole time. Piper, stop eating the ice. Girl, this isn't clean. This has been here for a minute. I'm like, is he gonna get it? I really don't know. Milo, hey, you guys are ripped. Hey,